How to enable Google Assistant on Android. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Google Assistant on Android device. Now to do so, first of all, open your Google application on your Android device and then here make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the top right corner once you log into your account. Now this will open the drop down menu. From here at the very bottom, you'll be able to locate the settings option. Simply tap on settings and then you will be taken to the settings page. Now in this settings menu, tap on Google Assistant option. By doing so, you will be taken to the settings page. Here tap on Hey Google and voice match option on the very top. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. Now here find Hey Google option and then tap on the toggle button at the right side of it to enable it. By doing so, you will be able to enable voice activation. Now you will need to follow the prompts to train your Google Assistant to recognize your voice by repeating a few phrases. Scroll down and tap on I agree. After that, tap on this next button at the bottom right and you'll be able to set up your Google Assistant. Now after setup, you can activate Google Assistant by simply saying Hey Google or by pressing and holding the home button. So by following these steps, you should be able to enable Google Assistant on your Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.